when NAFTA happened, HVAC manufacturers started moving their factories to Canada and Mexico. And I got to tell you that I started seeing the quality drop substantially. So the same manufacturer that I'd bought from before, I'd bought these air handlers. They were made in the United States. They moved their factory just over the border into Mexico. And I mean, just like you could throw a rock and hit the border. And all of a sudden, we started having quality problems with these air handlers. And I've had the same issue with stuff that moved to Canada, which is surprising. I wouldn't have expected that as much. The labor, I don't know that it's any cheaper in Canada. I'm not really sure why. There's probably reasons I don't understand why they would move some manufacturing to Canada. But I had air handlers delivered from a factory that was in Canada that looked like they had been drugged down the freeway the entire way. I had to reject them. I mean, that was one of the worst equipment receipts I've ever had. The stuff from Mexico, it just kept getting worse and worse. I bought these air handlers and had some problems. Well, then years later, I bought some more and they were a train wreck. I mean, they came partially assembled. The paint was still wet. They were falling apart. There was loose parts jiggling around inside the air handlers. For 3 months, I had staff on the roof of this building, finishing the assembly, fixing everything that was wrong with them. It was a disaster. So not a fan.